Having personally encountered the frustrating Nvidia driver crash and black screen error on Arch Linux, and after extensive troubleshooting, I've compiled several effective solutions that genuinely restore system stability. I'm now going to guide you through these proven strategies. This video will help you fix Nvidia driver crash and black screen error on Arch Linux, making your system reliable again. First, updating your Nvidia drivers safely is crucial because outdated drivers often conflict with the latest kernel updates, causing instability. By ensuring your graphics drivers match your system's current state, you prevent these common conflicts from even starting. Next, a kernel module workaround addresses situations where the graphics card isn't properly initialized by the Linux kernel. This method ensures the correct driver modules load in the right order, preventing the display from failing to start. Third, adjusting your sort configuration targets the display server's settings directly. Sometimes the automatic configuration doesn't perfectly align with your Nvidia card, leading to blank screens. Manually fine-tuning these settings ensures your display output is correctly managed. Finally, downgrading Nvidia packages can be a lifesaver. Newer driver versions occasionally introduce regressions or bugs that cause crashes on specific hardware. Reverting to a previously stable driver version eliminates these new issues, providing a steady and functional desktop experience.